Guys, I just wanted to let you know before we get into this video, I now have a donations button set up on Twitch. If you head over there, twitch.tv/Joshua_Gibson8, you'll find two donate buttons, one through PayPal and one through Streamlabs. So even for PayPal, you don't need a PayPal account because I have a business PayPal set up. But if you feel more comfortable going through Streamlabs, of course, you can do that too. I'm currently not monetized on YouTube or anything, Twitch, affiliate, none of that. So I don't make anything off any videos that I upload. So I'd really appreciate it if you could drop any donations. Any small amount of money is appreciated. And the link to the PayPal will be in the description of this video. So thanks for listening to this part. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today EA have dropped some mad packs. There are 84 double upgrades which aren't great, or 84 plus, not great value. There is 85s to 92s, we've done a few of them here, and then there is an 88 plus guaranteed, which we're also going to complete, but we need to rinse through these first to get a bit of fodder. So let's get into it. Basic packs, because these are all two segments, so you know, you get a pack each segment and then you get your finished pack. They are tradable though, at least. That's not bad. We'll take away 600 coins for him, and then yeah, might go into some advanced SBCs at some point and get the packs from them, because you know this promo is doing a madness. It is special cards popping out left, right and centre. As always, we're streaming this over on Twitch, twitch.tv/Joshua_Gibson8. Haven't got into the big cards yet, unfortunately, or the big packs. Rinse through these, you can see the 85s to 92s coming in though. Probably I'm going to have to put in some advanced packs. There's a walkout, Belgium, left forward, Dortmund. It's an inform. It's going to be Hazard, Thorgan. I was trying to think of his first name there. Thorgan Hazard. I'm not gonna lie, I was stuck for a wee bit there trying to think who the Belgian left forward was. I wanted to say Eden. I did want to say Eden Hazard. It's not, but great. Cheap, but you know, good to have in the club. So that was out of a one rare player pack, lads. You know, this promo, cards coming out left, right and centre here. That's just boards this time. French centre back, Dortmund. It's going to be Dan Axel Zagadou. I know that one. 82. A lot of informs coming in these days. I like to see it. And then our next one rare player pack. Nope, they've let us down this time. Considering they're not even the big packs in this opening, that was really bad. That wasn't bad. We got two informs, an 86 and an 82. So 85s to 92s. How are these ones looking? I've only done two because they need 70 chemistry, which is really poor. Walkout again. Walkout inform, Spanish, left wing back, Marcus Alonso. Another 86. Not bad, you know. Another 86. And these are untradeable. I think a lot of informs these days. Kind of cheap anyway. Our next 85 to 92. These are quite good. It's just two segments and 70 chemistry. There's no need for that. That's going to be a walkout though. That's going to be... oh, Skriniar. That's right. Milan Skriniar. I was going to say, who the frick is this? Skriniar. Not bad, you know. Not bad. An 87 from the 85s to 92s. To pay out these, they're not bad. High rated cards. So lads, we're going to go and put together an 88 plus now, and we'll be right back. So lads, the 88 plus 5 rare gold players. Let's get through the 2 rare gold players first that we got for finishing it. There's 3 segments, but I had the first 2 done, so you'll have seen the packs already. That's a walkout, you know. Walkouts coming out left, right and centre. Oh, are you joking? That's Marcus Alonso again. I didn't even put him into anything. Oh wait, this one's tradable. That's sweet, we can just keep him up there. I thought these were untradeable, I won't lie. But here we go, boys. 5 88 plus players in this pack. Come on, hook us up EA, don't hook us down. This is a great pack, great opportunity, come on. We know it's going to be a walkout. Some sort of team of the year nominee type thing. It's going to be Ericsson. It's Ericsson. It's an 89. It just hit me that the rest of them is going to be 88s. Wow, yeah, wow. I don't. Yeah, killing 89. I was like, why? It's because they're special. Well, we got some serial links there. He would be a serial link if he was new. That wasn't great. I think I'm gonna go and put together some advanced SBC packs, maybe. Or else there's an 84 plus pack I'm definitely gonna do, so you'll see that next, lads. So lads, we have completed the Foot 11 SBC. We've got a 2 rare gold players pack and an 84 plus pack. So let's get the 2 rare gold players out of the way. Let's see, is EA gonna hook us up with anything? No, not in this one. The 84 plus, let's hope that they're gonna hook us up, not hook us down. Come on EA. Big packs, a lot of cards in packs. Wouldn't mind that for birthday Mbappe, you know. It's gonna be something, it's gonna be a walkout. I think it's a man of the match. It's gonna be Handanovic. Not too bad, you know, 90 Handanovic. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. So what does he actually go for? Because they're all really cheap at the minute. Yeah, people bidding like 10k, it's untradeable, but not too bad EA. So lads, we have completed one of the advanced SBCs. So we're going to get through these stupid packs first, obviously, and then we're going to get to the rare mega pack at the end. Hopefully we get something big. Be nice to see us getting something big, but nothing at the minute. So that's just going to be a Xhaka. We don't care about any of this, lads. Let's go to a premium mixed players pack. And hopefully... Nope, nothing from this. Come on. Yeah, you gotta pay out at the end here. The rare mega pack is what we're all hoping for. Come on. Right, rare Electrum players pack. This one could be good. Hook us up EA. Don't hook us down. I said it could be good. It's a walkout. Come on. It's Spanish. CDM. Barcelona. Oh, it's Busquets. That's not bad, you know. Sergio Busquets. We will take that one, boys. We will take that. Obviously, We're going to get at least maybe 30k for him. Arnautovic the other day was ridiculously high. Few players, no, nobody special really. So that's our first big hit from this SBC. We've got a rare mega pack here though. Can we get the job done with it? Come on, big card, yeah, big card. Mbappe, Ronnie. Just because you paid me out in the last pack, yeah, doesn't mean that you don't give me something here. We have a player pick, 81 to 83. Gonna get Jota, Europa League card. At least we get a special card. It's a 10k discard, unfortunately. That is really, really poor. Yeah. Don't like that, lads. So lads, here we are. Another advanced SBC completed. So, rare mixed players pack. Let's get this out of the way. Probably not going to produce. Prove me wrong, EA. They're actually going to. It's a walkout. Right? CDM. Oh, can't they? UCL. Or road to the final, I think. Yeah. That's the one pack that I thought, that's not producing. We get Kante. That's sick, boys. That is sick. So, good profit made already. I'm hoping Aaron Gui's in there too. Yeah, that's nice. He probably bit of a discard price, but that is a great start, lads. Some nice cards. Gold here. Let's get the premium gold players pack out of the way. Mbappe, Messi, Ronaldo. Alright, nothing in this. I hope that wasn't our one good pack. I really hope it wasn't our one good pack. That's my SBC account, so I don't care about keeping players. Mega pack. Hook us off the come on. Just one wing Mbappe. They've shafted us. Go Leeds. That is disappointing to get a shot out in style. Yeah, not great. Last pack, you know what? No spinny chair pack, boys. Let's go. Spinny chair pack. What are we getting? Hook us off. Another some sort of UCL card. Also Nana, and it's just team of year nominee. Not great. Not ideal. I wonder, is there anything behind it? No, there's not. That was somewhat disappointing. Yeah, nothing really big. We get a contract pack, let's go. We contract pack, love that. So yeah, that's it, unfortunately. That is the end of the video. I have more advanced SBCs I can do, and I'm gonna do them if and when something else comes out, more upgrade packs or something, and then we'll put another pack video together. I don't want to waste them all in one video. Some alright cards. but nothing massive. Kante, very nice. So, yeah. I mean, 150k. All the special cards just plummeted on the market, but there will be more pack openings coming. So, look forward to that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.